So what we have here is, what was it? Who was it made by? What was the website you said? Trike Alternatives. What we have here is a hydraulic stabilizer kit. We are going to fit it to, what are we going to fit it to?
A GSX 1250 non-bandit, I believe.
Right, and we've been working on it, and we're sort of bench testing it at the moment, and we've just figured out how it works. So we know what to do.
Not a clue.
I'm going to have to set this up, aren't I?
We got good footage.
Yeah, it's working.
I'm at a good angle.
Right,
so to run through this one again, to start off with, I don't have to do anything till it hits the top, then I hit the button.
Yeah. Yeah, because we are up at the moment, aren't we? So we need to deploy.
Oh, right, so I need that down before you start, and then I let go.
Right, so this is how it's going to work. We connect the wires. And this here is a speed controller, which produces a pulse. So when I spin this, pulse generator. When I spin this, this is going to tell the box, the black box, that the bike has slowed down enough to deploy the wheels. I don't know what position that's got to be in.
That is currently up, I believe.
That's currently up. All right, let's give it a spin and see what happens. Nothing. So, right. So there we go. That's the kit deployed. So now it's running along. Now the bike is running along as a trike. And then we stopped at the traffic lights. We wait for the traffic lights to change. We want to move off again. Button down.
Pull away, technically.
Start to pull away.
Boom.
Boom.
Well, no boom, that's the whole point of this.
Yeah, so here we go. We're riding along again. We come to the next set of traffic lights. So we want to deploy the wheels. So do we have to change we do have to change the position of the switch, don't we?
Yes, you
so
have
wheels
to change
down.
the position of the switch.
So we change the position of the switch, nothing's happening though because we haven't moved away. So we start to ride away as a trike, and magic.
Go again.
So now we can basically take it all to bits, get it to fit on the bike.
And change these
So
lines.
now we need a bike.
These lines are absolutely...
Yeah, they're mullered.
Gone.
That's what I'm saying. We need all those lines changing, but we'll do the bike first. We'll get this on the bike first.
Yep. Okay. Bing bada bing bada boom.
Bang bada bing. And the plan is that we will build something like this, which will be available for people with disabilities.
Like myself.
Like himself. Give the leg a whirl.
The leg a whirl.
There we go. Funky leg.
Yeah.
Right. That'll do.